Hello and welcome to today's edition of Clavinova Cafe. I'm your host, Eric Shepard with Piano Distributors, and today we are taking a sneak peek inside your CVP series entertainment pack and starter kit with everything you need to ensure a successful start with your CVP 800 series Clavinova, including headphones, microphone, owner's manual, cleaning kit, even a special surprise on a USB flash drive. It's all coming up on today's edition of Clavinova Cafe. Pair of Yamaha headphones. We're creating the perfect harmony in the household. You'll find your headphone input right under the front left-hand side of your Clavinova. Insert your 1/4-inch stereo adapter to the left-hand portion of the headphone input. There is an additional headphone input jack for an additional pair of headphones should you choose to acquire one in the future. And the best thing about being able to play on headphones is that you can play to your heart's content any time of day or night. Look ma, no mistakes. Let's see what's next in our entertainment pack and startup kit. Professional dynamic microphone. Your microphone will come in 2 pieces. We simply put the bottom in and click. And on the front left-hand side of your Clavinova, you'll find an input that is labeled microphone line in. And right next to the microphone input jack, there is a volume switch that will increase and decrease the volume of your microphone. And we are live at the Clavinova Cafe. Let's see what's next in our CVP series startup kit. Look inside. The Yamaha microfiber cleaning mitt. You guys, this is amazing. Everyone always asks me, how do I clean the dust off of my Clavinova? So let's clean your Clavinova together. With your Yamaha microfiber cleaning mitt, cleaning your Clavinova has never been easier. You don't even need a cleaning solution. You just simply clean with the music. Let's see what else is waiting for us in our CVP series entertainment and startup kit. Why, it's our CVP series quick start DVD and owner's manual, of course. Enjoy this easy to use quick start DVD to help you gain additional insight to your CVP series Clavinova, or obtain all of this information online with Yamaha's Link and Learn series at the website listed below. And as we come to the close of our CVP series entertainment pack and starter kit, the last item you'll find inside is this little USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's inside. After you've inserted your Yamaha USB flash drive into the USB port on your Clavinova, simply touch on the new song area on your touch control panel, and then we'll tab over to the MIDI folder that has the little USB icon. The Clavinova has recognized an additional USB flash drive in its port, so we just open up that folder there, and it gives us some bonus Follow Lights tutorial software. We just open this folder here, we choose one selection, let's do a little Elton John, and then in our control panel we press play to start the music. And as with all Follow Lights tutorial software selections, we can play with one note, one finger at a time. Coming up on the next edition of Clavinova Cafe, we'll take a look inside Yamaha's ever-expanding online music library. You'll discover an entire world of music available for download to USB flash drive. It's the most fun and easy way to enhance your Father Likes tutorial, background listening, and karaoke experience. Be sure to log on to our website at pianodistributors.com for more Clavinova Cafe. I'm Eric Shepard with Piano Distributors. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.